Fashion design technology is revolutionizing how fashion industry designers approach product development, pattern making, and fittings. On one hand, 3D clothing design software streamlines the design process, saving time and money while decreasing environmental impact. Conversely, 3D and augmented reality experiences empower fashion brands to engage with global audiences, fostering stronger brand loyalty. The emergence of virtual clothing means fashion designers can now create without the need for physical fabrics or manual sewing, fundamentally altering the clothing creation and production landscape. What exactly is 3D fashion design? 3D in fashion design involves creating a 3D prototype from a 2D digital pattern. Using 3D technology, designers can now construct a 3D garment on a digital avatar of their size. This digital design method enables brands to design and sample clothing faster and with reduced waste. Furthermore, 3D technology can showcase highly realistic images of a garment, capturing details like fabric drape and appearance. Instead of working with 2D patterns and files, fashion designers are using 3D software to stitch patterns together and provide a production-ready 3D version of a garment. Advantages of 3D fashion design. It accelerates your production. One key benefit is that it enhances overall production speed. Designers can iterate virtually on a garment multiple times, potentially reducing the time to market by weeks or even months. In the event of errors during the design phase, pattern adjustments can be easily made. For symmetrical garments, virtual design tools offer time-saving functionalities that synchronize patterns for both the left and right sides, or the front and back of the design. It reduces sample making expenses. 3D technology notably cuts down on sample making costs. Brands can generate and distribute photorealistic visuals of garments without the need for physical samples. You can host virtual fashion shows. The strength of 3D clothing models lies in their ability to replicate any setting and facilitate user engagement. This allows designers to transport customers to a location that complements the theme of the clothing or accessories being showcased. More advantages of 3D fashion design. It aids in waste reduction. Additionally, the 3D process tackles sustainability concerns by significantly minimizing waste linked to numerous rounds of sample sewing. Designing clothing in 3D is the most ethical and sustainable approach. You can develop your collection in 3D, conduct virtual fittings, and even launch it virtually. It guarantees improved fitting. 3D technology enables you to assess garment fit prior to production. By utilizing stress maps, identifying and promptly adjusting problematic areas becomes simple. You can conduct virtual fashion shows. The ability of 3D clothing models to simulate any environment and enable user interaction is their main strength. Designers may then be able to take customers somewhere that fits the theme of the apparel or accessories on offer. Who can use 3D fashion design? The benefits of 3D fashion are vast and varied, catering to the preferences of investors. Industries such as fashion, gaming, virtual reality, and film may all reap rewards, though each sector has its own unique advantages. For costume designers in action films and superhero movies, creating elaborate outfits can pose challenges when using traditional fabrics. Moreover, there is a distinct contrast between how garments appear in person and on camera under studio lighting. In such scenarios, 3D fashion allows for the integration of digital clothing elements during post-production. Elaborate gowns and armor, for instance, are collaboratively designed by stylists, product developers, and other professionals working in unison. Gamers. In the gaming world, a character's attire is just as important as any other design aspect. The type of fabric, colors, and intricate details all play a role in conveying the stories and personalities of player avatars, enhancing the immersion for gamers and transforming it into an artistic journey. It's not surprising that Balenciaga has entered this realm. The brand recently partnered with Fortnite, launching a game in 2021 specifically to showcase their latest collection. easy-to-use 3D fashion design software. ODOS 360 is a comprehensive solution for the fashion industry, offering an innovative concept that streamlines various creative processes, enhancing the speed of collection creation. To save time and resources and enhance outcomes, ODOS 360 is the essential platform for your business. ODOS Fashion Studio enables the seamless online creation of models and outfits, revolutionizing the design process and facilitating instant model approvals. This technology provides modern tools for working and experimenting in a 3D environment, ensuring ease of use. ODOS Fashion Studio simplifies activities like simulating different fits, textures, and materials, allowing users to visualize movements on hyper-realistic avatars before making any purchases. Approve your 3D fashion designs directly from your computer, saving time, money, materials, and effort without the need for physical prototypes. ODOS 3D is the ultimate solution for companies facing tight deadlines, design challenges, and rework issues. It serves as a vital ally in resolving product development hurdles for pattern makers and technical professionals. For example, with ODOS, you can approve sketches and designs, validate garment fit and comfort, fully endorse the initial prototype digitally, reduce the number of clothing samples, cut down on time and costs for prototyping, implement more sustainable procedures, create visuals for marketing and sales departments, visualize items in a virtual fitting room. Examples of other 3D fashion design softwares. TukaCAD is a user-friendly 3D fashion design software developed by TukaTech. It enables you to scan your fit model and make adjustments using various measurement options. You can create a virtual fitting session with an animated model capable of moving, dancing, running, and more. This 3D software is tailored for virtual prototyping, allowing you to conduct multiple trials for a single product. Browseware is a comprehensive 3D fashion design, development, and merchandising solution offering various modules. Stitcher serves as a 3D virtual prototyping solution for technical designers and pattern makers. It facilitates the conversion of 2D patterns into 3D models. Lotta is a 3D fashion design solution assisting fashion designers in clothing development. You can seamlessly sync your 2D drawings and patterns with Lotta using Adobe tools like Photoshop or Illustrator. CLO 3D is design software that transforms 2D patterns into 3D renderings. It is an excellent tool for visualizing products, checking fit, and experimenting with different fabric and color options. Additionally, it enables pattern export in various formats. The CLO 3D platform features an intuitive interface and offers numerous video tutorials to support users. Marvelous Designer is a cloth simulation program used to create dynamic 3D clothing for games, films, 3D art, and animations. It is compatible with a wide range of other 3D software such as 3ds Max, Maya, and ZBrush, simplifying the editing process for your 3D models. Possible challenges of 3D fashion design. The democratization of 3D fashion design is currently a major challenge. In Brazil and other African countries, for instance, there are still millions of individuals lacking internet access. Moreover, among those with connectivity, how many possess devices capable of accurately rendering all 3D graphics? This issue isn't limited to 3D fashion design, it permeates the entire realm of technology. Nevertheless, the future appears promising. Is 3D fashion design environmentally sustainable? Absolutely. Through 3D fashion design, one can craft clothing items without resource constraints or environmental harm. The key requirements are electricity, a reliable computer, and internet connectivity. In conclusion, 3D fashion design revolutionizes the traditional clothing creation process by offering speed, cost-effectiveness, and sustainability benefits. From accelerating production to reducing sample making expenses and enabling virtual fashion shows, the advantages are numerous.